If your Google Drive isn't syncing properly, don't panic. Here are some quick troubleshooting steps to fix it. First of all, open any browser on your device and go to drive.google.com. Then, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Now, refresh the page to see if that sync updates. Sometimes it just needs a quick reload. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak connection often stops files from syncing. Also, confirm you have enough storage space. If your Google Drive storage is full, new files won't sync until you clear some space or upgrade your plan. Another step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser's settings, then go into privacy and security. After that, click on delete browsing data and make sure to select cookies and cached images or files and then hit delete data. After that, log back into Google Drive and check if it works. And finally, make sure your browser is up to date. Using an outdated version can sometimes prevent Drive from syncing properly. And that's all. These simple steps usually solve most syncing issues when using Google Drive through a browser. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.